Hi, I'm James with British Customs. Today we're going to be working on this 2023 Thruxton RS, and we're going to show you how quickly you can transform the style, the sound, and the performance just by installing these slash cut performance tips. Let's do it. All right, to do this job, all you need is 3 tools. You need a 10mm socket. Does not have to be on a driver like this. Could be on a ratchet. This just makes it a little faster. 6mm Allen and 12mm ratcheting wrench. So we're going to start by loosening up the clamp here with our 10mm socket. Now, with our 12mm ratcheting wrench, and you could, if you don't have a ratcheting wrench, you could probably get a socket back here, but it's got to be a kind of short one to fit in there between the chain guard. Use your 6mm Allen. Get it loose. In reality, I guess you could just hold this with a wrench and then do full turns with your Allen on this side. Okay. Support the muffler. Pull this bolt out. And you can just turn the muffler a little bit. Just kind of wiggle it off. And you want to do this slowly because you don't want to slam into your shock or your swing arm and mess things up. So now for installation, we need a 3mm Allen. There's a set screw right here that you want to make sure it doesn't protrude through here, or you won't be able to get it on to the pipe. So you need to just back it off a little bit and make sure it's out of the picture there. The other thing you need to know is that on the Thruxton, these tips, there's a right side and a left side. The one that's bent goes on the right side, and the one that's straight goes on the left side. If you put one on here, it's going to end up going right in between your chain and your swing arm. So you put that on, and get back there. So now we're going to put this piece back on. And remember, we're doing this video just to show you how quickly you can get this done. In the kit, this comes with a spacer that you'll put here to just take up some space on that screw. You could, if you want, get another screw shorter, make a little cleaner install, but this is what we got in the kit. So again, with our 6mm Allen, our 12mm ratcheting wrench. Now we'll go over to the other side, put the tip on the tip. So again, we got the same 3 tools for removing. A 10mm socket, 12mm ratcheting wrench, and our 6mm Allen. Start by loosening the clamp on the muffler with the 10mm socket. 6mm Allen, 12mm ratcheting wrench, support the muffler, pull the screw out, turn it a little bit, and wiggle it off. Nice and easy. Now again, for install, we need the 3mm Allen. I'm going to back that screw off. Snap, just pop it on. About 3mm. So now, I'm just going to put this piece back in. Put the spacer on. Put the nut on. Now with our 12mm ratcheting wrench, and a 6mm Allen. Tighten that up. So one thing you may want to do now is step behind the bike and try and look at both of these and see that they look right with each other, that they're at the same angles, and that way it'll really give it a more clean look. But other than that, these are fully installed right now. All right, so that's it for the Slash Cut Performance Tip install. As you can see, that's under 10 minutes. You could have this done and be back on the road riding, shed some pounds, looks way better, and you'll get a little performance out of that too. Thanks for watching.